Ahead of his US visit, Prime Minister Narendra Modi called it an occasion to strengthen strategic partnership with the US and consolidate ties with Japan and Australia. On his 3 day visit, the Prime Minister will participate in the first in person summit of Quad leaders, address the United Nations General Assembly, and also have his first bilateral meeting with US President Joe Biden since his election. PM Modi said his UN General Assembly address would focus on pressing global challenges, including the COVID-19 pandemic, the need to combat terrorism, and climate change. He also referred to his first meeting with Vice President Kamala Harris, and he said he was looking forward to the meeting to explore opportunities for cooperation, particularly in the area of science and technology. In his departure speech, PM Modi said, I will be visiting USA from 22nd September to 25th September 2021 at the invitation of His Excellency President Joe Biden of the United States of America. During my visit, I will review the India-US Comprehensive Global Strategic Partnership with President Biden and exchange views on regional and global issues of mutual interest. I am also looking forward to meeting Vice President Kamala Harris to explore opportunities for cooperation between our two nations, particularly in the areas of science and technology. I will participate in the first in person Quad Leaders Summit along with President Biden, Prime Minister Scott Morrison of Australia, and Prime Minister Yoshihide Suga of Japan. The summit provides an opportunity to take stock of the outcomes of our virtual summit in March this year and identify priorities for future engagements based on our shared vision for the Indo-Pacific region. I will also meet Prime Minister Morrison of Australia and Prime Minister Suga of Japan to take stock of the strong bilateral relations with their respective countries and continue our useful exchanges on regional and global issues. I will conclude my visit with an address at the UN General Assembly focusing on the pressing global challenges including the COVID-19 pandemic, the need to combat terrorism, climate change, and other important issues. My visit to the US would be an occasion to strengthen the comprehensive global strategic partnership with USA, consolidate relations with our strategic partners, Japan and Australia, and to take forward a collaboration on important global issues. This US visit will mark Prime Minister Modi's first foreign tour in 6 months and will also be the first time he will be visiting the country after President Joe Biden assumed office. The visit will begin with Prime Minister Modi landing in Washington late on September 22nd.